Okay, today we're going to learn how to make a candle from two simple ingredients you can find in your kitchen. We're going to use an orange and some olive oil. So the first step is you're going to want to take an orange and cut it in half, but make sure to only take the peel off. You're also going to want to make sure that this middle part, called the stalk, stays attached to the orange. Alright, the next step is we're going to pour the oil into the orange. And make sure that the oil also covers the stalk. Alright, and the third and final step is to light the candle. You might have to hold the flame to the wick for a little bit to get it to go. But eventually, it should light and you'll have a fully functioning candle. Just like that. Alright, now you're probably wondering how this works. So, a candle works, it makes light by producing heat. And the heat in this case is produced by a reaction known as combustion. And combustion reactions need two things for them to happen. They need a fuel source, which contains carbon and hydrogen atoms and molecules. And they also need oxygen, which is found in the air. Alright, so in this combustion machine here, the oil acts as the fuel source. It contains lipid molecules, also known as fat, and those fat molecules are packed full of carbon and hydrogen. And the oxygen, as we stated, already comes from the air. So when the wick is heated, the heat travels down to the base where the oil is, and it vaporizes the oil. That means it turns it from a solid into a really hot gas, and the carbon and hydrogen are broken down into atoms, which can then react with the oxygen. This will produce heat in an exothermic reaction. It'll also produce water, which will be evaporated as steam, and carbon dioxide gas. And there you have it. That's how a candle works. So the next time you're in a power outage and you have no candles, don't worry, just follow these 3 simple steps and you'll have a candle in no time.